Keep it up, dude. Turn it that way just a little bit, buddy. There you go, Diesel. Steer it.
Diesel Duncan, 20 months from driving tractor.
Oh. Oh no. Dustin, oh no. Ah, Diesel. Oh no, we're going to crash. Ah.
Stuck.
Okay, ready? Turn this way. Turn this way, bud. Turn this way. Yeah, you see it?